Here's a simple and tasty apple omelette recipe you can try. Apple omelette recipe. Ingredients: eggs, 3, milk 2 tablespoons, optional for fluffiness, sugar 1 to 2 tablespoons, adjust to taste, salt a pinch, apple 1 medium, peeled, thinly sliced or grated, butter 1 tablespoon, cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon, optional for flavor, honey or maple syrup for drizzling. Instructions: 1. Prepare the apples. Peel and thinly slice or grate the apple. In a small pan, add half a pound butter and the apple slices. Sprinkle sugar and cinnamon if using, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly caramelized. Set aside. 2. Whisk the eggs. In a bowl, whisk eggs with milk, sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt until fluffy. Cook the omelette. Heat the remaining butter in a non-stick pan. Pour in the egg mixture. Tilt the pan so it spreads evenly. Cook on low flame until the omelette is almost set. 4. Add apples. Spread the caramelized apples on one side of the omelette. Fold gently and cook for another minute. 5. Serve. Slide onto a plate, drizzle with honey or maple syrup, and enjoy warm. Tip: you can also sprinkle a little grated cheese inside before folding if you like a sweet savory twist. Would you like me to give you a savory-style apple omelette with onions, spices, and a light sweetness as well, or just this sweet version?